Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your name on HODL application. So, without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Launch or open HODL application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once signed in, tap on the human figure at the bottom right and make sure that you've selected the account tab at the top right-hand corner. Now, you will come across this user information option. To change your name, simply go ahead and tap on the Name tab, and then enter your name you would like to change to or update to. Similarly, you can also change your username by typing it inside the username text field. After you are done, tap on Save at the top of the screen, and you will be able to change your display name and your username on HODL. So, that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.